Why does your scanner show the P0A11 engine code? What does it mean? P0A11 is a diagnostic trouble code for DC or DC converter enable circuit or open. This engine code indicates that this means there's a problem in the circuit responsible for allowing the DC or DC converter to operate, preventing the high-voltage battery from providing power to the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty DC or DC converter, wiring issues, bad electrical connections, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, and BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.